Here's how you tie the taut line hitch. The taut line hitch is very similar to the two half hitches, just one extra step. It could be tied over a horizontal or a vertical pole. It could be tied to a stake to secure a tent, which I'll get to here momentarily. Take the working end of the rope and turn it around the pole like this. And make sure you have plenty of slack. Just as in two half hitches, you place the working part underneath the standing part, forming an underhand loop. Then you take the working end, you turn it and tuck it through the eye of the loop that you made. Okay, now remember in two half hitches, you would just go down and around again. But this time, in a taut line hitch, you're going to add one extra coil through the eye of the loop. So take the working end and just coil around the standing part, tuck it through so that the second coil is above the first coil. And just tighten. Now, just as in two half hitches, now you go down, form another underhand loop, and then take the working end, turn it up, and tuck it through, and then just tighten, and there you go. That's the taut line hitch. Now, the defining feature of a taut line hitch is that it's adjustable, so watch this. I could adjust it like so, or I can make it tighter like so. And the purpose of the taut line hitch is to decrease or increase the tension. And I'll show you an application to that right now. So here's an application to the taut line hitch. I have my tent stake here. Let's say that this is the guy line and my tent right here. I'm going to tie the taut line hitch just like I showed you on this tent stake. So I have my taut line hitch right here. You see how loose this is? To change that, I just take the taut line hitch and I adjust it to increase the tension and make it tighter, make it taut like that. That's why it's called the taut line hitch. And you could do this for a tent. You could also do this for a small tree that you're trying to hold upright. You'll just put like 2, 3, or 4 of these around the tree and get it to stand. So here's an application to the taut line hitch. Now I want to teach you another application to the taut line hitch. To start tying the clothesline, you have two options. You could tie a bowline or you could tie two half hitches. And I'm going to start by tying two half hitches. Remember, two half hitches is a useful knot if you just want to tie rope around trees or poles. Now I'm going to run the rest of the line toward the other tree. To tie the rest of the clothesline, I'm going to pull the rope up. I'm going to tie the taut line hitch around this tree. Okay, so as you can see, our clothesline isn't as tight or taut. It's loose right here. That's where the taut line hitch comes in to make it taut or to add the tension. So I'm just going to go like this, and there you go. You can make it as tight as you want, and now you have a clothesline.